What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel, Stella Black Star, aka DBS. So for today's video, let's talk about my hair. Why did I cut my hair? So before I even tell you the reason why, I'm just gonna tell you that a few weeks ago I got my hair trimmed, and I noticed that afterwards I noticed that I had a lot of split ends, not necessarily where they trimmed, but like everywhere. So I was like, you know what, it's time to just cut all my hair. And yeah, and that's the reason why I cut it, because it was mistreated, right? That's the term, you mistreat your hair, maltratado in Spanish. So when I went to the hair salon, I told the lady, this is what I want, and she's like, why do you want to cut your hair? And I'm like, I gave her the reason. So she was like, okay, this is what you want. Boom, boom, boom. She did it. So this is my hair. I really like this cut. I think I've had this cut before, or maybe a little bit shorter. So I love it. But guess what? Guess what? It's February now, right? Summertime, I'm planning to cut more, like super short. I'm not sure why I'm whispering, but super short. That's what I have in mind in summertime. So, but the haircut that I want, maybe I have to, and I'm not gonna do it. Like, you would have to drop some pounds, because it's more for like skinny faces. So, but my face is the way that it is, and if I want to cut my hair that way, then so be it. So we'll see. Let's see how I feel in the summertime. If I still feel the same way, it's going down. It's going down right here. Yep. So I know this video was very random, but if you guys enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up. It will help me so much. Subscribe to my channel if you aren't. There's a red button down there. Just click on it. Trust me, just click on it. And if you are subscribed, thank you so much for being a subscriber. I appreciate your support. Until the next one, peace.